When scientists first discovered ethylene, they only thought that it could be used for mechanical purposes, such as in fluorescent lights. But then, they discovered that it could also be used as a plant hormone.
That was a good dunk, Kobe.
Thanks, Shaq. Now you just have to make one more free throw.
Okay.
Okay, Shaq. When we make this free throw, we can go home.
Hey, Kobe, you got any candy?
Don't you know candy's bad for you? You should eat some fruit.
Okay. Candy fruit?
Yeah, I have fruit. And you know where fruits come from? Come from plants. You know what plants have? Ethylene. Ethylene has four main functions: fruit ripening, leaf abscission, the triple response, and apoptosis. Apoptosis is programmed cell death. Whenever a plant needs to degenerate some of its tissue, it releases a load of ethylene so that many of the cells inside the plant die.
Wow.
Another function of ethylene is leaf abscission. Do you know what that means?
Surely, Kobe. You see, every leaf has a breaking point, or a layer of cells called the abscission layer. And that is controlled by auxin and ethylene. When there's less auxin and more ethylene, it stimulates enzymes that break down the walls of those cells. And when those cells are broken down, the leaf will fall off. Ethylene can also induce ripening, and that ripening further produces more ethylene, so therefore it's a chain reaction. Furthermore, ethylene is a gas, so therefore that same effect can spread to other fruit. So I guess when they say that one bad fruit spoils the bunch, it's really true.
The fourth function of ethylene is somewhat complicated. It is called the triple response. Take this scenario. A plant is going through soil, and it reaches the surface, but it reaches a movable object, such as a rock. Then, the plant sends sensory triggers, which causes a boost in ethylene. The boost in ethylene does three things, which is part of the triple response. It slows stem growth, thickens the stem for strength purposes, and causes horizontal growth. This allows the plant to avoid the movable object and maybe eventually reach the surface. Scientists know that the ethylene is what causes the horizontal growth because when they tested normal plants with ethylene, it also grew horizontally. So now do you understand the use of ethylene?
Oh, I forgot.
There are four main functions of ethylene: fruit ripening, leaf abscission, apoptosis, and the triple response. So now do you understand ethylene?
All I wanted was some fruit.
I don't have any fruit. You want some candy?
Did Trace McGrady just steal my ball?
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, in the city, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs rolling on stray. Yeah, long sacrifice in the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, more feelings I be more like you. Yeah, not to put the fire with the things I like.
I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind. Thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior. Had me lost in light speed.
Times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, in the city, please come my way. Like
Yeah.